How to change your in-game name in Lost Light. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you are looking for a way to change your in-game name in Lost Light game, then the process is quite easy. So first of all, launch open the Lost Light game on your device and make sure you are inside this lobby page. Once you're inside the lobby section, go ahead and click on your profile avatar at the top left corner, and from the basic info or the player info section, go to the top right corner and tap on the settings drop down. Now select change name from the pop-up, and in order to change your name change cards should be used. If you've got a name change card, you can go ahead and change your name right away. Type in a new name for yourself and click on this little one name card option over here. Just click on that. If you've got enough, you'll be able to change your name right away. You can also buy a new rename card by going to your in-game store, and if it is available there, just go ahead and purchase that and you can use it in your name change. So that is how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.